at the last floor.
Oh, they enjoy. Oh my God. How they What happened? What happened?
I did. Problem. In the way.
Mahmoud, it's very dangerous. Oh, good.
Red. It is Amerford. It's Amerford, see.
Oh.
También celas.
Autobus مناسب نبره.
Acaba de gas زیاد شد موتورهای خودم میبرن.
Çıkar çıkınca. What? Don't open. Oh. Oh my God. It's very dangerous. What? What? What's happened? What's happened? It is the first time or maybe several times it will happen so.
This happens, but it is today too much of
It's very dangerous for small cars also, tuk-tuk like this.
It will be damaged houses.
no, not house. It's not that much that it will happen.
مرة میدونی یک دوست مشتبت که جایپور یک وقت معین داره یک وقتش تماما توریست رو آورده است اوه گفت که کار شوخی نیست توریست رو یک 10 اتوبوس آورده است تماشا کدام سال بوده 3-4 سال پیشتر همین سیزن گفت پس بسیار خطرناک
It's next time. Yes?
Sorry, I want to take.
I think tuk-tuk can't go.
very danger. Feel free to drive slowly, not so. What I want.
Puedes dar que baila. Por ahí no
I'm afraid really, Kartik.
یادگار میمونه.
ما امشب خونه میرم. میدونی چی؟ ما امشب خونه میرم. بنا خواست بگن آب من
They enjoyed, yeah.
Venezuela. It's like a Venezuela.
Like Venezuela.
Why you cannot drive? Ahorita vi. Ballo ma quasi di garo. A mí me hago pasar el Sí, Ganzoy. Where is Ganzoy?
Now it's okay.
Oh, here is now. Oh, here better. باوری دارم که سطح بری وردن
happens. But usually this place gets less rain, not much. I'm not sure because I think it will be rain because it's rainy season now. They have more rain. Yeah, most of the time we have to need umbrella. But I'll speak with my friends who live there because sometimes it is different. I'll ask them. August usually sometimes it rains whole day, 24 hours in some parts. Yeah, sometimes.
24 hours raining sometimes.
Yes, not here, south part of India. Sometimes complete 10 days.
All the year.
No stop. 10 days. Okay.
Nice? This is nice? This when you have the
What do you think? Okay, let me think and I tell you. Sanctuary, yeah, there is one.
What sanctuary here?
Bird sanctuary. Bird sanctuary.
No, I mean why animals?
Wild animals.
No, when I was in my country, they told me there is a very big wild animal.
We have many, but in Rajasthan I don't know. In Dehradun there is Jim Corbett National Park, which has tigers.
Is it far from here?
From here. From Delhi it is around
Until
300 kilometers.
just?
Yeah. You can go by car.
I can rent a car and go by car. 300 kilometers.
One more national park is, which is in Rajasthan, is Bharatpur National Park. But I don't know what animals are there. I don't think any big cat, wild animals. But in India it's very difficult
India is very difficult.
because many people hunting tigers and big animals. So very less left. Elephants are easy to see. Now the bus is leaking.
The bus is leaving.
Again.
Again you are a
Waiting
driver.
for the bus now.
No, finished. When I was in Thailand, I went to the tiger.
Oh, it's amazing. I heard about it. You can touch.
I hired him.
I want to do that. I want to
No, I
do
went.
Thailand is a good place. Yeah, I'll go this year, I think. Maybe December.
No, if you go to Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai in the north.
Okay.
It's a very nice place.
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai, yeah.
Chiang Mai.
And you go to Bangkok, so you can from Bangkok and go
North.
to the north. And you know, in Norway you can
Ichiego.
Chanaburi. What is that?
Chanaburi, no, not. It's near Chanaburi. I have it in the shirt.
What is
Near
that?
Chanaburi. Chanaburi, there is a river, a big river, and you know some of the monuments.
Sandra mega voi baholta turisto.
You can see there's a food out.
Wow.
Are fikir reklam mega voi baholta turisto halta nahi bacha.
And it is expensive.
Oh, it's not expensive. You know, I also was keen. You know, I spent 1 week trips in Thailand and Chiang Mai, including Chiang Mai. You know, we went 3 nights, 4 days in the jungle, and we sit in the jungle. And you know, this is Tiger Temple and Chanaburi. And there is also another river called Kiwi.
Devura balandi shabu bi
Also, we went to a city famous city called
Okay, okay.
hagar nafara mekşa dar koşa.
So all this I paid $300.
All?
Yeah.
So how cheap it is?
Dar Afganistan barf me boran. Kam yok bisiyor.
در فصل زمستان 4 بار 5 بار
برای شما لباسی گرم در کار نیست. خنک بشه.
For yourself. So you know I reserved the whole week from Bangkok. And it's very expensive. So if I went and bought the ticket, the bus ticket, and I go to Chiang Mai, it would be very cheap. Very cheap.
So you...
For the bus ticket, he told me they charged me 800 baht. No baht.
What the other...
It was just 300. I asked at the bus station, 300.
People.
300 to 900. Yeah. From that point, I knew that I was
Sen
cheap.
doğru musun?
Yeah. Very cheap, you know. When I go to the jungle,
How to call it in English? It's raining.
I check the price over
It's raining.
was
Stone coming.
$50 for the 3 days for
How
months.
to call it?
Yeah.
Planning or
Or this it's like 1,300 baht and
It's raining. It's stony. No, it's coming stone.
$1.
Yes. $100. $103,300 baht. So I paid 1,000. The real price was 1,300 for this spread jungle. The office, I think they charged me
Boş aşıt.
Ribbit.
So it's like, you know, you can actually complete in $150.
Yeah. For me, I was able to do this by myself for this price.
So I planned that myself.
No, you go, you can, there is nothing to do here. So you can, maybe you stay 1-2 days in Bangkok, go to the market. So
I don't like city much.
it's not the city. It has a very small
Pollution.
all over it's not polluted like India. It's very clean road. But the problem, that wherever you go, they are doing food. They are making food and the smell of the food is very smell. Because they use pork. Everywhere pork. And they fried it, you know. When it's fried, it has a very, So because of that. I like it. I like it so much.
And which beach you like?
I went to Rohu.
Ah, this guy, all of them, there is no ocean. Ocean too. Shut down your mouth.
shut down.
Everybody's saying this.